Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to activate 120 Hz refresh rate on your iPhone. So guys, if you want to activate 120 Hz refresh rate on your iPhone, here I will show you how can you do this. So guys, this is very basic and simple. You can easily do this. So guys, to activate 120 Hz promotion on a compatible iPhone, you have to simply open settings, and then you have to simply scroll it below and go to general, then go to software update, and make sure that you are using the updated version of software on your device. So guys, do this, and after this go back and now go to accessibility and then go to motion, and from here, once you're here, you will get the option like this, limit frame rate. So guys, you can see this. If this toggle is on, you have to simply turn this toggle off on your iPhone, and you must be using iPhone 13 Pro, 14 Pro or 15 Pro or the later models. So guys, you must be using a latest device, and after this you have to simply turn off limit frame rate, and after this the 120 Hz refresh rate will be activated on your iPhone as well. So guys, this is the way to activate a 120 Hz refresh rate on Apple device. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.